guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons. If you are new to the channel, I appreciate you dropping by. Make sure to click subscribe, hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for this week's lesson. It's a super easy one. It's a fun one. It's Greenday with When I Come Around. Let's get to it. As always guys, let's just go through the chords you're going to need to know for Greenday. When I Come Around, it's easy, it's super easy. So let's just go through it before we dive in. So the first one will be power chord G and also palm muting. But the first chord, power chord G, and then power chord D, power chord the high E, and power chord C. So it's G, D, E, and C. And for the chorus, only two, power chord A and power chord C. So it's G, it's D, E, C, A, and C, and palm muting. So that's all the chords you're going to need to know. Let's zoom in, let's break it down, let's learn the song. So for the intro for Greenday, When I Come Around, you're going to start off with the chord G, then chord D, chord E, and the chord C. All of them power chords. You guys remember the finger pattern stays exactly the same for all the power chords. So it's G, D, E, and C. So for the rhythm, for the beginners, just have a look here. So you're going to go. Just practice that part for now. So let's play those two. Go from G to D, G, D. Slower. G, D. Now to E. Go down to C. So for the beginners, don't worry about that upstroke, just go. My strumming hand. Forget about the so just go downstrokes. Sorry, just downstrokes. But if you want to put that little upstroke in, so they start with an upstroke. That. Can you see it? Just slow. With the upstroke. So let's play twice without the upstroke and 2 times with the upstroke. let's go slowly with just downstrokes. Let's play it 2 times more, but quicker, with the correct tempo. That was just with downstrokes. So let's play it twice with upstrokes slowly and 2 times normal tempo. So let's go. Slowly. G, T, E, C, G, T, E. So let's go with the normal tempo. Sorry about that one. So that is the intro. Let's jump into the verse. So if you guys know the song, it won't be a big surprise to tell you the verse is exactly the same as the intro. It's also the same chords, the same rhythm, the same everything. So the intro is, and the verse is, so once again it's up to you to play upstroke. Just to keep it simple as possible, just downstrokes. As a beginner, start with just downstrokes. Sorry about that one. Second nature. And so, if you keep on practicing it, you will eventually get to the point where you want to go. Alright guys, another easy chorus. The only chords you're going to use is the chord A and the power chord C. Then A again, and then C. So let's play the verse once, and then we'll jump into the chorus. So let's go. The second time we play C, just let it ring. So let's go. Into the chorus. So let's do it again, a bit slower, once from the verse. from the verse again. So let's speed up the tempo to the normal pace. From the verse, let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it again. Normal tempo, 3 from the verse. 3, 2, 1. And the chorus. And as you can hear, right after the chorus, you go back into the verse, or that interlude bridge little part, but it's the same as the verse and the intro. It's once again. Let's do the chorus. The chorus stays the same. So if you can get it, get this part right. That's basically about like 90% of the song, and then after that, once again the chorus. So we're not going to learn the solo part for the beginners on this song. We will get to it a bit later for some lead guitar stuff, some solos and so on. But when the solo comes in on the song, just repeat. So that is it for this lesson on Greenday, When I Come Around. And that is it for this week's electric guitar lesson, guys. It's always fun for me to play Greenday. It's always fun for me to teach Greenday. And it's also always fun to learn Greenday. So if there's any song you guys would like to learn, just drop a comment. We'll see what we can do about it. But for now, click subscribe, hit the notification bell to not miss any of the other songs we're going to learn on this channel. Also, join us on Facebook community page and also on Instagram for some bonus tips and tricks. Daddy Guitar here. See you guys next week.